Hey guys, my name is Mani and welcome to a series on React from basic to advanced. In this series, we will start from basic concepts in React and move towards advanced level and learn the different concepts in React. Alright guys, before we move on to JSX, I have one thing to discuss with you. As a part of React 16.7 Alpha, the new feature introduced by React is hooks. This cool new feature kind of contradicts what we have learned about functional versus state components so far. In the last video, we had a comparison between the component types. I have mentioned the class component has the benefit of using what is known as state, also the lifecycle hooks, and I have also mentioned functional components are stateless components. Unfortunately, I have to take that back. I have just opened the React documentation. The React team introduced a new feature proposal called hooks, and as you can see in the official documentation, hooks are a new feature proposal that lets you use state and other React features without writing a class. They are currently in React 16.7 Alpha and being discussed in an open RFC. So state can be used similar to lifecycle hooks, which were exclusive to class components, can now be used in functional components as well. With that in mind, let me talk about 2 points that will answer any question you have now or might have moving forward. The first point is no breaking changes. Even hooks are a new feature proposal right now. They will not break any code in your application even with the stable release. They are completely opt-in and also are 100% backwards compatible. If you don't want to, you don't have to really learn or use hooks in your application. Also, this is the reason whatever we have learned so far in this series still holds good, except for the fact about functional component being stateless and the disadvantage of not being able to use lifecycle hooks. As a correction to that, from now on we will simply call component types as functional components and class components. The second point is on content on hooks in this series. Personally, from a beginner's point of view, I think you really should understand using state in class components, using lifecycle methods in class components, and also experience the frustration with this keyword when working with class components. Only after you go through this journey, you will be able to appreciate what hooks bring to the table. So I will create videos on hooks in the near future once you understand state, event binding and lifecycle hooks in class components. So don't worry about the update of React content. I will make sure you get the latest content provided to us. So that's it for this video. Let's meet in next video to learn more about React. You can always comment for any doubts and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.